RMS. Ano ba yung RMS? Root mean square. So, ang formula ng RMS, ganito. RMS is equal to PM PO over the square root of 2 is equal to PM PO is equal to the value of square root of 2 is 1.4142. So, is equal to 1,000. 1,000 over 1.4142 is equal to 707.11. Kaso lang, ito ay 2 channel. So, divide natin ito. Is equal to 353.56 watts RMS per channel. So, yan.